Hey everyone, this is a short video, so I'll go ahead on and talk to you guys on this one since a lot of my subscribers said they wanted to get to know me a little bit and they wanted me to talk to them. These are going to be some good extractions though. I was so excited to work on this client. She traveled all the way from Austin, Texas, so that I can extract her blackheads. This was my first client to travel from like that far just for me to pull out their blackheads and look at them. They just slide out so gracefully. But yeah, so I've been waxing. If you don't know, I'm a wax specialist. So waxing is actually like my full-time job. And then afterwards, I do my clients' extractions. But I've been waxing for about 3 years now. And my business, New Wax and Hair Bar, you all can follow me on Instagram if you want to, makes 1 year on January 22nd. So I'm actually about to have like a 1 year anniversary party. I'm located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm 24 years old. I have 2 daughters, Hazel and Honey. One of them is 5 and the other is 1. And I really enjoy extracting and waxing. Like, I love my job. I may sound a little nervous on this video because I don't usually talk to my subscribers, so bear with me. This is my first time actually like talking to you guys, but I'll get better at it. I'll loosen up, and yeah. And all of these extractions are actually coming from one client. Like, she just had maybe about 50 blackheads, which they slid out very easily. But I was able to make this, 5-minute video off of one client. I'm really close to a lot of my clients. We come up in here and we talk, have good conversations. I mean, I see them every month. I'm seeing their most intimate areas, and we just naturally build great relationships. I love it. I love it. I love it. And before I started waxing on my own, because I've only been on my own for about 1 year. I've been on my own for 1 year. Yeah, I was working at a major waxing company before, and I ended up getting pregnant with my 1-year-old, and they put me on maternity leave when I was 5 months pregnant because I wasn't waxing as fast as they wanted me to. Oh my gosh, this blackhead was so stubborn. I remember pushing on this blackhead. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even call it a blackhead because nothing came out. I was pushing and pushing and nothing would come out. So I found the follicle and I dug in there and I was able to dig out a little build up, but I just expected so much more to come out of there. But yeah, like I was saying, I worked for a major waxing company for 2 years. They put me on maternity leave when I was 5 months, and they forced me to open up my own business. And I appreciate them so much for that because I was comfortable where I was at. And God has a mysterious way of doing things, and baby, when I tell you, I would have probably still been working for that company to this day and never stepped out on faith. Yeah, but everything happens for a reason. My business is going very well, and I'm still working on that blackhead. I finally gave up. Oh, but these are going to be some good. So before I even did this client received a service called a vajacial. I put my ingrown hair elixir on her skin and I let the steam blow. The steam and the elixir works together like magic. It makes the build-up blackheads, ingrowns come out so easily so that I'm not breaking the hairs or forcing too much pressure on the skin. They just slide out perfectly. But this is a short video. I just want to tell you all a little bit about myself. Like and subscribe, please. Feel free to comment. I will do some videos with just soft music playing in the background, but I want to talk to some of my subscribers because they asked me to. Thank you all so much. See you guys next time.